students, a very warm welcome to the class. How are you all? Hope you are fit, fine and doing great, and I'm sure you are excited to learn with me. So myself Divyani Shukla, your SST teacher, and today I'm going to start a new chapter which is your chapter number 1. Chapter number 1, which is Globe and Maps, a guide to Earth. Globe. What is globe? Globe is a small round structure of अर्थ जो कि हमारे अर्थ की एक्चुअल स्पेस का विजुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन देता है. एंड मैप इज ऑल्सो अ फ्लैट एरिया ड्रॉइंग जो कि हमारी अर्थ का by which we can also locate many places on earth. That is why they are called guide to earth. So let's begin with this chapter. Build up, solve the crossword with the help of across and down clues. A round model of earth. What is the round model of earth called? Globe. Like this you can do the remaining. Moving to the chapter, the earth is spherical in shape and orbits the sun. In ancient times, people believed that earth was flat. In 1519, a Portuguese explorer, Ferdinand Magellan, embarked on a voyage around the world. After 3 years of traveling, his ship returned to the same location where it started. This provided clear evidence that the earth is round. So, in earlier times, people believed that Earth is flat. After that, in 1959, a Portuguese explorer named Ferdinand Magellan came and और उन्होंने बताया कि हमारी अर्थ जो है वो राउंड इन शेप है. आफ्टर 3 years of traveling in ship with his sailors to the and he started a journey. He started a journey on ship. 3 साल बाद he started a journey and after 3 years he returned to the same location, or we can say he returned to the same place where it started. This provided that the earth is round in shape. The image of the earth has been captured from outer space. It also confirmed that earth is not flat but round. However, it is slightly flattened at tops and bulges at the equator. अर्थ की जो इमेज है वो भी ये बताती है दैट इट इज राउंड इन शेप, बट इट ऑल्सो कंफर्म्ड दैट इट इज नॉट फ्लैट बट राउंड, बट it is slightly flattened at the top and bottom, which are called its poles, and it is bulges at equators. First heading, what is a globe? What is a globe? Globe is a small round structure of earth. A globe is a round model of Earth. It provides a clear representation of planet. Using a globe, we can study various physical features such as countries, continents, oceans and seas. Locating places is easier on a large globe. So globe क्या है? एक राउंड मॉडल है अर्थ का जो कि हमें क्लियर रिप्रेजेंटेशन देता है हमारे प्लैनेट अर्थ की. By using globe, we can study various physical features like countries, continents, oceans, mountains and seas. The globe rotates on a rock-like structure similar to Earth axis. The axis is known as is an imaginary line that runs through the center of the Earth. The movement of the globe's axis मिमिक्स द रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ. तो अर्थ जो है वो रोटेट करता है एक रॉड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर पे जो कि सिमिलर है, जो कि बिल्कुल सिमिलर है हमारे अर्थ के एक्सिस के साथ. द एक्सिस इज द इमेजिनरी लाइन दैट रन्स अलोंग द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ. द मूवमेंट ऑफ द ग्लोब एक्सिस मिमिक्स द रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ, यानी कि ग्लोब के एक्सिस के जो मूवमेंट है वो बिल्कुल अर्थ के रोटेशन की तरह है. नाउ वी विल स्टडी व्हाट आर द यूजेस ऑफ globe. A globe is helpful in many ways. It is a small model of Earth, helps us understand in round shape. First, ये एक small model है help का by which we can understand the shape of the Earth. We can learn about countries, continents, oceans and seas of a globe. So we can learn about countries, oceans, seas and globes using a globe. A globe spins like the earth, helps us understand the earth rotation. तो globe हमें अर्थ की रोटेशन भी बताता है because it spins like earth. It helps to find different places, or we can say it helps to locate us different places on planet Earth. Now, what are the limitations of a globe? Although a globe is too useful, it has some limitations. Not all locations can be viewed at the same time. तो globe के structure पे we cannot view all the locations at the same time because it is round in shape. Carrying a large globe from one place to another is inconvenient. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह इतने बड़े से globe को ले जाना बहुत difficult है. A globe does not show small towns, roads or many details like a map does. Globe हमें small cities, towns वगैरह नहीं दिखाता जैसे कि मैप दिखाता है. If something changes like a new country or city, it cannot be changed on globe easily. If something changes, new road is built, new city is built on globe, it cannot be changed easily. Now, next heading, what is a map? Map क्या है? एक flat area map is a flat area drawing. of our planet Earth. A map is a drawing of Earth or a part of it on its flat surface. It helps us to see various places are. Map shows countries, cities, villages, rivers, mountains, roads and seas. तो मैप क्या है? एक फ्लैट एरिया ड्राइंग है हमारे प्लैनेट अर्थ की या फिर उसके किसी छोटे से पार्ट की. इट शोज small spaces, small places also and large places also, like villages, cities, rivers, mountains, seas and oceans. Now, advantages of maps. Maps are very useful in many ways. Here are some advantages of maps. So, maps are very useful in many ways. Like first, it is easy to carry. Maps are light and can be folded or kept in a book. So, maps are light to carry and can be folded and kept in a book. Shows many places together. We can see different countries, cities and road at the same time. So, it shows many places at the same time because it is flat in structure. And we can even see small spaces on the map. Gives more details. Map shows important places like schools, parks, rivers and railway stations. So by using maps we can see small schools, parks, roads, cities, etc. Helps in traveling. Map helps people find directions and reach place easily. So it also helps in traveling by finding directions and reaching place easily. Helps in learning. Maps helps to teach about the world, different countries and landforms. So it also helps in learning. We can learn about world, different countries and landforms by using map. Now, it's the time of act and learn. Answer the following question in one word. What helps to locate places easily? What will be the answer? Can you guess? The answer will be map. Map helps to locate places easily. Now, next, types of maps. There are different kinds of map and each map has its unique feature. First is physical map, which shows physical features. It shows natural features like mountains, rivers, forests, plateaus and valleys. It helps us understand the shape and height of land. So map shows natural features like rivers, mountains, forests, plateaus and valleys. Political map, it shows centuries, states, cities and border. It helps us to see where different places are and how they are divided. So political map shows cities, states, countries and borders. It also helps us to see where different places are located and how any city, state or country is divided. Here you can see the picture of a physical map of India, which shows physical features or we can say natural features. And in the political map of India, you can see countries, states, cities, etc. Next is a road map. It shows roads, railways, highways, an important road. It helps people travel from one place to another. So road map लोगों की मदद करता है for traveling from one place to another. It shows roads, highways, railways and important routes. Weather map. It shows weather conditions like rain, temperature and storms. It helps us know if it will be hot, cold or rainy. So weather map shows weather conditions like rain, temperature and storm. Thematic map, it shows special information like population, crops, industries and natural resources. It helps us learn about different things in a place. Thematic map also shows special information like population, crops, industries and its natural resources. Now, features of a map. What are the features of map? There are definite features of map that helps to study and understand the maps better. These features are called language of map. So there are some features of the map which is called the language of map by which we can understand the map easily. First feature is directions. There are four main directions. We all know directions are an important part of a map as they help us find places easily. For example, if a bus driver does not know the way to a school, he might take the children to the wrong place. This is why knowing directions is very important. So directions जो है वो बहुत important part है map का, because if it does not know direction, we will go to a wrong place. The four main directions are north, south, east or west. On the map, north is always on the top, south is at the bottom, east on the right, west is on the left. These directions helps us understand the location of different places. So there are main four locations, which is north on the top, south at the bottom, east on the right and west is on the left. There are also called sub-directions between these four directions. There are also four directions in between which are called sub-directions. Northeast is between north and east. Southeast located between south and east. Southwest is between south and west, and northwest is between north and west. So these are called sub-directions. Now next feature is scale. A map does not show the actual size of a place. It is much smaller than the real one. The scale of a map tells us how much smaller it is compared to the actual area. It helps us understand how distances on the map related to the distances on the ground. The scale of a map is usually shown in a corner. So a map has a scale which does not show the actual size of a place. ये जो हमारा स्केल होता है वो स्मॉलर होता है, बहुत ज्यादा स्मॉलर होता है रियल साइज ऑफ एरिया से. तो स्केल ऑफ मैप हमारी मदद करता है कि कितना स्मॉल है ये एक्चुअल एरिया से ये बताने में. इट helps us to understand how distances on map related to distances on ground. For example, suppose there are 2 points x and y on the map. The real distance between them is 100 km, but on the map this distance is shown as 1 centimeter. This means that 1 centimeter on the map represents 100 km in real life. So suppose you have 2 points x and y on the map. Real distance is 100 centimeter, but on the map the distance shows as 1 centimeter. This means that we can understood 1 centimeter on the map represent 100 kilometers in real life. 1 centimeter is equals to 100 kilometers. You can see in the picture also. Now, if the distance between two places A and B on the map is 2 centimeter, the actual distance between them would be 200 kilometer. So suppose if the distance between A and B will be 2 centimeter, so the actual distance will be 200. If it is 3 centimeters, so the actual will be 300 kilometers. Now, colors and symbols. So we have different types of colors and symbols used in map. A map uses colors and symbols to show different physical features like rivers, ponds, hills, plains, mountains, valleys, plateaus, deserts and islands. These colors and symbols helps us understand the map clearly. So map जो है वो different symbols और colors का use करता है so that we can understood its physical features. Most maps follows a common color scheme. What are these color schemes? Mountains and highland are shown in brown and yellow. High mountains appear in dark brown. Smaller mountains and hills in light brown. Snow-covered mountains are shown in white and plateaus are in yellow. So mountains और highland को ज्यादातर brown और yellow color के साथ दिखाया जाता है. High mountains are in dark brown and while smaller mountains are represented in light brown colored. Snow-covered mountains are shown in white and plateaus are represented with yellow color. Plains and lowland are always shown in green. Water bodies like rivers, lakes and seas are marked in blue. Light blue means shallow water and dark blue means deep water. So water bodies like rivers, seas and oceans are marked in blue. Light blues means shallow water and dark blue represent deep water. Symbols on a map represent important places such as cities, capitals, roads, rails, airports, hospitals, temples and bridges. तो maps पे जो symbols हैं वो कुछ important cities को, important places को mark करते हैं such as cities, capitals, roads, railways, airports, hospitals, temples and bridges. Now, legend or key. What is a legend on key? Let's see. Every map uses colors, signs or symbols to understand what they mean. A key is provided. The key, also called the legend, is usually shown in a small box at the bottom of the corner. It helps us to read the map easily. So हर एक मैप पे हम कलर, सिंबल्स और साइंस का यूज करते हैं. की विच इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड लेजेंड इज यूजुअली shown in उसे हमेशा एक स्मॉल बॉक्स में दिखाया जाता है मैप के बॉटम कॉर्नर पे. इट हेल्प्स अस टू रीड द मैप इजीली. लाइक here are the some of the examples given of a key or legend. You can see first key or legend is of metal roads. This is the key of metal roads. This is the unmetal roads. Railway line is represented like this. Air route is represented something like aeroplane. International boundary. Next, interstate boundary. Town is represented by red dot. Headquarters of state like this. Capital of country. Dam is represented by a dam shape. River by river. Canal, tube well, coniferous trees, tree, tobacco, cotton, rubber, coal, manganese, iron and steel, industrial area, bridge. Temple is represented by temple, church has a church sign, mosque is shaped like a mosque, and post office is represented by PO. So these are the key or legend by which we can understand our map easily. Now, we'll learn about comparison between globe and map. So what is comparison between globe map? We'll see first is shape. A globe is round model of earth. A map is the flat area of drawing or part of it. Globe क्या है? So first feature is shape. Globe क्या है? एक round model है अर्थ का, while map is the flat area drawing of earth or a part of it. Representation. It shows the entire earth with correct shapes and locations. It can show the whole world or specific place in detail. तो ग्लोब जो है वो एंटायर अर्थ को करेक्ट शेप्स और लोकेशंस के साथ दिखाता है, जबकि मैप जो है वो पूरे वर्ल्ड को या किसी स्पेसिफिक प्लेस को भी डिटेल में दिखा सकता है. Next feature is size. Globe is big and not easy to carry. Map is flat, foldable and easy to carry. तो globe जो है वो round and big in size है, not easy to carry, while map is flat, foldable and easy to carry. Details. Globe shows fewer details because of its small size. Map can show more details like roads, landmarks and cities. तो globe shows fewer details, only the places which are larger in size. Map shows more details about some places, smaller places also and larger places also. Accuracy. Globe gives a more accurate shape and distance. Globe जो है वो हमें ज़्यादा accurate shape और distance दिखाता है, while map may have distortions because the earth is round but the map is flat in shape. Use. It helps us understand the true shape and movement of earth. It helps us finding directions and locations easily. तो uses भी दोनों के अलग अलग हैं. Globe helps us to understand the true shape and movement of earth, जबकि मैप की मदद से हम directions को easily locate कर सकते हैं. Now, next heading is प्लान. प्लान क्या है? प्लान भी एक सिंपल ड्राइंग है. सिंपल ड्राइंग है लाइक अ मैप, बट प्लान इज द ड्राइंग ऑफ अ स्मॉल एरिया लाइक अ हाउस और अ स्कूल और अ single room. A plan is a small and simple map that shows a limited area with details. It is drawn with scale and helps us understand locations like houses, schools, or parks. Unlike maps, plans show more specific details of a place. They use symbols and directions to give clearer information. Plans are useful for finding places easily in small area. तो प्लान क्या है? एक सिंपल मैप है जिसको एक लिमिटेड एरिया के साथ डिटेल्स के साथ जिसमें कि बहुत सी डिटेल्स शो करी जाती है, लेकिन ये बनाया जाता है एक लिमिटेड एरिया के लिए. मैप की तरह ये भी हमें एवरी स्मॉल डिटेल दिखाती है. इट इज मोस्टली मेड ये ज़्यादातर हाउसेस, स्कूल्स और पार्क्स के लिए बनाया जाता है. प्लान्स जो हैं वो यूजफुल है हमारे एक छोटे से एरिया में किसी भी प्लेस को ढूंढने के लिए. I hope you have understood the topic. Now let's move to the vocabulary. Voyage, a long journey usually by sea. Voyage ये एक लंबी जर्नी है जो कि हम ट्रैवल करते हैं सी के थ्रू. Evidence, proof that something is true. Evidence यानी प्रूव, हमारे पास प्रूव है कि कोई चीज सही है. बल्जेस स्टिक्स आउट इन अ राउंड शेप. बल्जेस यानी कि कोई चीज राउंड शेप में बाहर को आ रही है. इनकन्वीनियंस, नॉट इजी और कंफर्टेबल टू यूज. इनकन्वीनियंट यानी कि कोई चीज कंफर्टेबल नहीं है यूज करने में. शैलो, नॉट डीप. शैलो यानी कि कोई चीज डीप नहीं है. Now let us quickly recall what we have learned in this chapter with the sum of the summary points. In ancient times, people believed that the earth was flat. A globe is a round model of earth which shows the movement and shape of the earth. Map is the flat area drawing or a part of a flat surface. Maps are light and can be folded and kept in a book. Directions are an important part of a map as they help us to find easily. There are 4 main directions: north, south, east and west. Map does not show the actual size of a place. Every map uses colors, symbols and signs, and also key and legend are used in a map. Now, exercise time, think and answer. Moving to the first exercise, check the correct option. Which direction is always on the top of the map? South, east or north? So which is on the top of the map? North. What is the shape of earth? Square, round or triangle? Option number B, round. Which color is used to show water bodies on map? Green, blue or brown? Option number B, blue color. What is the map? A drawing of earth, a big ball or a toy? A drawing of earth. Option number A. What is globe? A small model of earth, only one country or a book of maps? Option number A, a small model of earth. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. You have to fill in the blanks using the words. A dash is a round model of earth. Globe. Globe is a round model of earth. The right of a map always shows east direction. Water bodies like rivers and lakes are shown in dash color, shown in blue color. A map helps us find dash and cities. A map helps us find roads and cities. The earth is slightly flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator. Now, next exercise, tick for the true and cross for the false statement. A globe is a flat drawing of earth. No, it is round. A political map shows countries and states. Yes, it is true. A globe is easier to carry than a map. This is incorrect. A road map shows mountains and rivers. No, this is false. A scale helps us understand distances on a map. Yes, this is true. So, thank you students. That's all for today. Now we'll meet in our next class. Till the time, keep learning, keep doing great. Take care. Bye-bye students.